70 kilowatts motor core instruction channel validation. Testing of the core instruction channel of the vehicle control unit, VCU, is underway. The no-load environment ensures precise signal transmission with zero interference, a key to the baseline calibration of the motorized nervous system. Its connectors utilize a dual locking structure, providing both shockproof and waterproofing while effectively reducing line loss by 15%. The high-efficiency PMSM performance, the permanent magnet synchronous motor, PMSM, leverages advanced liquid cooling. This system maintains a stable temperature rise of less than or equal to 65 degrees Celsius during sustained operation at 3000 RPM. Furthermore, high-precision flange positioning at 0.05 mm eliminates any risk of axial movement, ensuring consistent mechanical alignment and power delivery. Advanced power conversion and rigorous motor testing. The 360 volts to 12 volts energy hub employs a silicon carbide (SiC) MOSFET design. Lab tests confirm an impressive 96% conversion efficiency, cutting thermal losses by 40% compared to conventional solutions. Our comprehensive testing of the 70 kilowatts motor system included peak power validation at 70 kilowatts, where the motor demonstrated exceptional dynamic response with instant torque availability and smooth, linear output curves. Under continuous full load operation, the entire system maintained stable performance. All critical parameters, including current draw, voltage stability, achieved efficiency levels, and controlled temperature rise, consistently met or exceeded design specifications. These results rigorously verify the system's outstanding reliability and durability, even under simulated extreme conditions like prolonged hill climb scenarios.